Hi guys, today we're gonna make some bottle green paint. So as usual, I forgot my cap open and the paint dried, as you can see. So I wanted to cut it open and get the leftover pigment from within, because I just hate wasting and throwing away stuff when it's still usable. So here I am cutting the bottle in half, and then I used a brush to pick out some ultramarine paint. I mixed some Sap Green into this ultramarine blue, and here I am just mixing all the paint with the help of a plastic palette knife. And as you can see, because the paint dried up, it's a little weird in texture, but it was still usable. So I'm getting a scrap piece of paper to test out what my color looks like so far, and when I tested it out, it still looked a little bit sea greenish, which is not what I want. So I'm going to continue to add some more sap green to it. I'll continue this process of mixing and adding color until I reach my desired color, which is deep bottle green. And there's only one way to find out if you have colors on the palette look way different than what you apply, because what you apply on the paper is a thin layer and it's not as deep. So I'm testing my color again, and if it's not something that I need, which is, as you can see, isn't, I'm gonna add some more color to it. So I've added some black in here to give it a deeper shade, because it looks really dark on the palette, but it's not as dark when applied on a small, like, really thin layer of paint on a paper. I'm now going to add some yellow to it because I feel like it needs a little more warmth. It's still cold kind of green, which is not what we want. And as I've added some yellow, it's given more life to the color, as you can see. And it looks much more deeper, much more nicer, more like a bottle green, nice bottle green color. So I guess I'm happy with this composition. I'm just gonna mix it up and then start applying it on the canvas. In this case, well, on my plywood. As you can see on this sheet of paper, that this is the kind of green that I want. And that's how we mix our colors. It's trial and error. I hope you guys liked the video. See you soon.